the moment, tonight is the night.
Mars on the live stream. So we actually already talked about it, but I didn't make a video on it. So here's the thing with Dogelon Mars. Unfortunately, we are macro bearish because we are under the macro 236, which puts you around 6 euros 23. Unfortunately, we did break this area twice and we got rejected both times. The reason why I think this one's a little bit different though is because, and here's a little bit of hopium in terms of price action goes. In terms of the development and the team and what Dogelon Mars is doing, all that is great. It's not really reflecting on the price right now, but they are actively building out utility and, Rufus chain, the metaverse and all that stuff. So I'm super excited about that. But in terms of the price action goes, it's not really reflecting that yet, which it can be seen both as an opportunity to accumulate more. And on the other side, it could be like, oh, well, it's not going anywhere. Well, you could think that if you want, or you can think that, it is going somewhere because they're actually building it out, right? So that's the route that I'm going with. And I do have Dogelon Mars, so I'm a little bit biased on it. But if you're asking my opinion, then that's what I think about Dogelon Mars. So a little bit of hopium is that we are still over the 200-day moving average, which is very important in my opinion. The 200-day moving average puts ELON at 6 euros 1871, which we're actually at 21.31 right now. So as long as we stay over that level and we continue this uptrend, then I do think that we are going to break past 6 euros 34, which is the macro 236, which is going to put us no longer bearish on the macro time frame. And the next level will be retesting 6 euros 37 to 6 euros 4 as strong resistance. Clearly, this is a very, very, very strong area of resistance. And once that breaks, I'd say little to no resistance to 5 euros 13, previous all-time high. And where I see Dogelon Mars going this bull run is 4 euros 2. I'm not saying I'm going to keep all of my coins until 4 euros 2, but I'm saying I'm not selling everything until... I'm not saying I'm not selling... I'm saying that I'm going to have coins until it hits 4 euros 2. So if it doesn't, and if it never hits that, then that position will I'll just wait, right? Or I'll sell a year or 2 years, or if I need money, right? But I'm just saying, once that target gets hit, that's personally when I'm going to be all out, right? But again, that's just my opinion. None of this is financial advice. Keep in mind that is going to put the market cap at around 100x. So for easy math, let's just say it's around 100x. Wow, I just said 99999. That's funny. But 100x would put the market cap around $11-12 billion. So in retrospect, if you think that and compare that with Dogecoin competitor and Shiba Inu competitor, but again, it's doing kind of the same thing that Shiba Inu did last bull run with Shibarium, the metaverse, Shiba Swap, and all that stuff. So very similar. Dogecoin did 80 billion market cap. Shiba Inu did 30 to 40 billion market cap. So from my perspective, with Dogelon being on all the centralized exchanges that it's at, with the amount of liquidity that's locked, with everything that it's building up on, I don't see why it can't go to at least an $11-12 billion market cap. But again, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and I have the coin, so we'll see what happens, and I hope I'm right for my sake, right? And if anybody else has it, I hope, we all make money together, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will catch you guys in the next video.